บายดีข้าพเจ้าชื่อนางพิสมัยรังสี
ข้าพเจ้าซื้อนางพุทธวงศ์วกาลักษ์
วันนี้พวกเขาจะมาสาธิตการเช็คอินเข้าห้องพักจะเป็นแนวใดนั้นเชิญพวกทานรับชมได้เลย
Good morning can I help you
Yes please I would like a room for the night
Would you like a room Would you like a single room or a double room
A single room please How much is the room
It is 300,000 key per night Will you accept
Yes I want
How many nights do you want stay
Tonight
Excuse me I can see your passport please
Here you are
Thank you Put your feet in this form please
Okay Fill out the form
Thank you. Here is your passport. Excuse me, how are you going to pay? Credit card or cash?
By credit card
Please your password. Here is your credit card and key. Your room number is 121. The poster will show. The poster will show.
Okay
If you need anything, just dial 0 to the reception area.
Okay thank you
Thank you. Have a good stay.
Okay bye